Hi, I'm Susie Bridges. I'm a CELTA trainer and language teacher, former academic manager with the British Council, and I am here to tell you about the Gallery Teachers Masterclass in Correcting Oral Error. So you really need to come to this workshop if you are a language teacher working with students who make mistakes. Obviously, if you are working in an environment where your learners don't make mistakes, great, good for you. But the chances are they make a few. So in the workshop, we're going to be looking at potential reasons why students make mistakes and thinking about decision-making factors in whether or not we correct the learners' mistakes, and also looking at some techniques to help the learners fix their own mistakes. So it's a really important workshop if you want to help your learners be understood outside the safe and patient environment of the classroom into the world where if they're making mistakes, maybe people aren't always going to understand them. So we can help them with this workshop.